So welcome back to Stacy O Designs, and if you have not subscribed yet, please go hit subscribe, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I am going to be doing a giveaway on my Facebook page, so make sure you go over and like that also at Stacy O Designs. So today I want to talk about how to center an image on a shirt, which I don't know why it took so long to click in my head. I've read it in a million places. So this is just going to be a really quick demonstration of how to center your image on a shirt. So I have just a George shirt here from Walmart, and always the first step is to lint roll, which I've technically already done before this. A quick pre-press to get any moisture out. So right now it's at 360, but it's working its way up to, I think I had it at about 385. Just for a couple of seconds to get the moisture out. So it's very handy if you have a swing away, so it can keep heating up while I'm doing this. Now all I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it on the seams, so shoulder to shoulder, and then armpit to armpit. Make sure everything lines up evenly. And make sure the bottoms line up, and we're just going to give it a 2-second press, because you want the press line to go right here along the middle of the shirt. So that is going to give you the center of your shirt, which is always my hardest thing. I'm always like a little left or a little right, and then I'm going to show, and then I always tilt it. So I'm going to show you another trick how to center it down the shirt as well as keeping it untilted. Is that a word? So now if you see, we have, I don't know if you can see this, but we have a nice line right down the center. So now I know that's the center of my shirt. So I'm going to keep the collar on here just for a second, but I usually like to move the collar off of my plating. So when we put this on, this is my transfer, and of course I'm going to put it on ink side down, but I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to make sure that it's completely lined up so you could see through. I don't know if you could see through, but I could see through. So I really want to line up edge to edge. So it looks like these two stars should line up. And once you are basically lined, so you line up the bottom, there. Line up the bottom, line up the top. Where am I? And then just give it the tiniest little pinch at the top and the tiniest little pinch at the bottom. And now that's the center of your image. And you just find your, we do about 3 fingers down from the collar. And then you just line up right down the center of your shirt. So you line up that top little mark you made on your paper. Then you see I'm angled. So now I have to keep the top mark and line up the bottom mark with the mark on my shirt. So now it's perfectly level, perfectly centered. I just have to throw some heat tape on there, and we're ready to press. Ooh. And I'm actually just going to move my shirt a little bit off my plating, because I don't, if you have a large enough shirt that no seams are on your platen that'll get the most direct contact with the top heat press. So I'm doing this on relatively light pressure. You don't need that much pressure for sublimation, especially these George shirts, because you don't want the press line around it. The other thing I do is I don't cut my paper, I tear my paper like this. This was an 11 by 17 sheet. I just printed 2 of them on one sheet, so I have to do a couple more. So pretty light pressure, 385. I think I had it at about 55 seconds. And then I use parchment paper on top, and I've been using just crafting paper that I got at IKEA. I just happened to have it in the house, and I was running out of parchment. So I've been trying to balance my resources until I was able to get some more. Shipping hasn't been so easy lately. So, okay, there's about 5 seconds left, and I'm going to pull up this press, and I'll show you how perfectly centered it is. And you know, I always pull up slowly to avoid ghosting. I'll turn that off for a minute. Hot. Okay. So if you do have, I got a little bit of paper marks. So while it's still warm, roll over it with a lint roller, and those press marks will come right out. It's just from the paper. No, perfect. No press marks. And there you go. So perfectly centered. If you see, if we put it back this way, you can see this side and this side. Perfectly centered. And all right, that's my tutorial on how to center an image on a shirt.